Installing a PCIe riser assembly. If applicable, remove the blank bezel fillers. If the interface plate was removed, place the interface plate on the node and then secure it with 5 screws. Replace the interface plate putty pad. In the video, an older version putty pad is shown, but services should use the new version. Fasten one hex standoff screw on the cold plate. Align the tab on the PCIe riser assembly with the slot on the front of the node, and then insert the PCIe riser assembly into the system board. Secure the riser assembly with 1 screw. Fasten the captive screw on the PCIe riser assembly. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the PCIe riser assembly. Install the clamp bracket and fasten the captive screw. Connect the cable on the system board. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.